Where are the RPM files after installation using Yum? I'm using Red Hat 5.4. I have installed a package using Yum. The package was Wireshark. However, after it has installed, where can I find the RPM package? I would like to locate the actual wireshark.rpm package so that I can install it on another machine that is not connected to the internet.
Take a look under /var/cache/yum directory. They should be there unless you have some kind of auto cleanup going on. If you do, try this command. If there's nothing there, see the caster variable in /etc/yum.conference and check out what's the current directory for storing packages. It can also be that compwatch or some other daily cron cleanup has cleared the /var/cache/yum.
The RPM cache directory location can be found in /etc/yum.conference. You should change the $basearch and $releasever values based on your Red Hat release version. If you want to keep the RPM cache after installation, the keep cache value should be set 1 in. Set.
You also can install the download-only plugin for Yum, which causes the RPMs to be downloaded to the cache directory but not installed. Yum install Yum plugin download only. Then use it with the download only flag. Yum install download only Wireshark. Then you will find the RPMs in the cache directory as set by your /etc/yum.conference. E.g. cache edge equals /var/tmp/yum/cache $basearch/$releasever.
I'm assuming you are using Yum against a base URL where RPM are downloaded in background. You can keep the downloaded RPM which are deleted automatically after installation. vim /etc/yum/yum.conference. Keep cake equals 1. Cacher equals /30/30 in GT, your choice. Now the downloaded RPM will be saved in the cacher you selected. From that you can create your own repository.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.